Imagine you decided to spend the rest of your life on an island and you have just three bottles and you can send just three messages to humanity. And this relates to all your life experiences, not only in the field that you're working in. What would be the three main things you find out from your life experience would be worth to share with humanity, the wisdoms that will make their lives better?
Okay, yeah, brilliant. Yeah, the first one would be coming from what you just said, like no judgment, and yeah, so live from your heart, not your head, like because if we show up to life from our heart and we're present with people and we stop judging and labeling different things, our life begins to change. Um, the other one would be to be kind to people as much as you can because you don't know what they're going through. And the final one would be your life is here now, and yeah, just to live in the moment as much as you can.
Perfect. Beautiful. Awareness is something that definitely we share. I very often, it's nice things because those wisdoms evolve as our life evolve. As more we learn about life, as more we move those points, because I relate so much to the three main wisdoms you shared with us. For me, it's very important that people know they have their life purpose. They know where they're going. And then they share that life purpose with other people. So people will be the second major part, what I believe is crucial to connect with others, to, as you said, you don't know where they're going, what they're going through. And being aware of that makes you approach to them and connect better, makes you better human being. And the last things I very often use at live in the moment, I say, take action in this moment, take action on your life purpose. And having people with you and your purpose, you can do so much goodness in life. And it's nice things like you have your practice sharing, combining those three powerful elements. And I think it's time. Feel free to join our LinkedIn group. Hopefully I will see you soon. Thank you.